Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Motorola headphones to your Android phone. So to do this, first of all we have to power off our headphones by using this power button. Next we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. So take a look for the indicator. Okay, so right now it's blinking blue and red. That's definitely not visible on the camera. And right now we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone. We have to select to pair new device. And then we just have to select our Motorola headphones from the list. Accept the pairing request. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.